Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to do an unboxing and review of Adams Polish's detailing seat. So stick around. Adams detailing seat. Normally lists for $85, I got it for $68. So let's take a look and see what we got inside. Remember, when you're ordering Adams stuff, you can always get 20% off. If they're not running a sale when you order, just wait a week and they'll come up with a sale for you. This looks like I got a couple back ordered items from them. So let's see what we got. T-shirt that I had ordered and the seat. So it looks like we're gonna have some assembly, which I expected. Instructions. Hardware. All right, well there you have it. Looks pretty nice. The majority of it is plastic. The bottom, where the casters are mounted, are made of aluminum. Obviously the side trays are made of plastic. It does have locking casters on the one side, which is nice. Overall, it looks great. Let's give it a try, see how it works. Okay, overall, the seat is great. It's the perfect height for working on the wheels, as you can see. It rolls really well. And seems to work great. I do like the locking casters on it. I chose this seat over the stool because the stool has the adjustable height. And I felt that that was going to be a failure point of that stool later on down the road, and I didn't want to have to deal with this. All right, well, the only negative I've found to the seat so far is the bottle holders. There's two different sizes of bottle holders. One is just a little too big, and the other one is just a little too small. So I have noticed that the bottles tend to fall down while you're rolling around. But that's really the only negative I have found so far. I'll let you know if I come up with any others in the future. Adams detailing seat. I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5 just because of the bottle issue. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know. I'm going to leave a link to Adams' website in the description below. Thanks for stopping by. Take care, and we'll see you next time.